If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and optimizing your console settings. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test on your network to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Go to the settings on your Xbox Series X and navigate to the network settings. Select Test Network Speed and Statistics to see if there are any issues. If you notice high latency, try switching to a wired connection using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Step 3. Close background applications. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the GUI, then navigate to Home. Close any background applications that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 4. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Keeping your console updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Adjust game settings. Some games have settings that can be adjusted for performance. Check the in-game settings and lower graphics options or resolution if you're experiencing lag. This can help improve frame rates and reduce lag spikes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience on the Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.